Good morning, children. I had already taught you all this topic in the live class, but then also I am uploading this video. Now, we already have studied about the tissue, the meristematic tissue and the permanent tissue, that are the type of plant tissue. Now we are going to study about the animal tissue. Animal tissue is also the group of similar type of cells performing the same type of or specific type of function that are called as the animal tissue. Today we will study about the types of animal tissue and we will cover the subheadings of the epithelial cells, that what are type of epithelial tissues are present, and in upcoming lecture we will complete the connective muscular and nervous tissue, and I will give you an idea of connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Now we are going to study about the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue are, first of all, we come to know about that what are the epithelial tissue. Epithelium is the upper line of any organ, whether it is externally or internally, any organ, upper lining, outer lining of that particular organ which is covered by any tissue. Group of cells are performing the protective function or particular any function that is called as the epithelial tissue. So now epithelial tissue are thin, protective and continuous sheet, means the group of cells forming the continuous sheet is called as the epithelial tissue. Now they cover the body surface. The body surface either from external environment like our skin and all this thing, or from the internal environment, means our internal organ are also being covered by epithelium cells. And they are, what are the shape? They are flat means flattened, they means the cuboidal means cube shape, or they may be columnar means lining, like elongated lining they should also be there. The main function of epithelium cells, we already know that its main function is to protect any particular internal organ or external. Now, coming to the each and every type of epithelium tissue is further divided into four types: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium and stratified epithelium. Now, this description or division is being done on the basis of their shape, their function. So, first of all, the squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium are flattened, just like the tiles have been put on the floor. Similar way, the squamous epithelium is being flattened and the nuclei are prominent in them. The nuclei which are present in them are prominent in them, and they are just closely packed, very tightly packed continuation sheet they form, and they are help in the mechanical injury. Particular organ couldn't get any mechanical injury, and also help in the drying up of organ. It provides a flexibility to particular external environment and it prevents the drying up of the organ. So squamous epithelium are flattened group of cells which are having prominent nuclei in them, and they are closely packed to each other and help in the mechanical and drying up of the particular external environment of that particular organ. That is the type of the squamous epithelium. Now coming to the cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium are cube shaped. This like cube shaped organ will be present beneath, beside each and everything. Your diagram is being depicted, and it is present. Where it is present? It is present mainly in the kidney. The kidney linings, outer lining of the kidney, glandular duct, the duct which have particular glands, the salivary gland, the mouth from where we secrete the saliva, outer surface of the salivary gland, and pancreatic duct, the duct of the pancreatic, outer side of that particular duct, the cuboidal epithelium. See, this is type of duct. If the duct is internally, the outer side of that particular duct, the cuboidal epithelium are present to protect that particular duct, which are cube shaped and just arranged one by one, side by side, beneath or adjacent to each cell. And in this way, the cuboidal epithelium is being completed, and where it is being found and what is their shape is being clear here. Now, coming to the columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium are long cells, long elongated cells which are tall in size and have cylindrical shape. They are long elongated cells which are tall in size and have cylindrical shape. Their nuclei is also elongated, and their main functions is that is present inner lining, not on the external lining, the inner lining. When we are seeing the inner lining, the main is the stomach. When we see the stomach, when we make the diagram of the stomach, like this is the stomach. This is the stomach. The inner lining of the stomach, this columnar epithelium, the long slender like epithelium will be present. The inner lining of the intestine, the 6 meter long intestine, its inner lining, the columnar epithelium is being present. Now this columnar epithelium is elongated, prominent. It is also further two types. The first first one is ciliated columnar epithelium and second one is the glandular columnar epithelium. Ciliated means the columnar epithelium which are long elongated and have cilia, prominent protoplasmic content had formed cilia. We had already studied in the cell structure of the cells. The cilia is present, the projection, strip-like lash projection is present, which help in the to and fro movement. So the cilia is present, which is mainly present in the respiratory tract, where the air is going in our respiratory tract and it could pass from there up to the lungs. So there the cilia present, and when in the columnar epithelium the cilia is present, means the inner lining of the trachea, those columnar cells which are present, the cilia is also present. That is called as a ciliated columnar epithelium. And now coming to the glandular columnar epithelium. The glands in our body, like the sweat gland, salivary gland, when the columnar epithelium is present over the gland, inner lining of the gland, and its cells, when they enfold, further they get enfolded and form the gland. They have the ability to form gland also, and they are present in the inner lining of the gland also, and help in the secretion of chemical substances that are called as the glandular columnar epithelium. So what we had studied? We had studied about the squamous. They are thin, flattened structure where prominent nuclei is being depicted, help in the protection of the mechanical injury. And the cuboidal epithelium means the inner lining of the duct, outer lining of the duct, glandular part, salivary gland, and the pancreatic duct. The cube-shaped organ is present, is called as the cuboidal epithelium. Coming to the columnar, it is elongated cells which have the elongated nuclei, and they are tall in size and present in the inner lining of the stomach or inner lining of the intestine. They could be of all two types: ciliated columnar epithelium, where cilia is, for example, is the trachea or the windpipe, where passage of air is being carried out, and the glandular epithelium is which secrete the chemical substances and help in the proper chemical secretion, and itself sometimes it enfolded to form that particular gland, which is present in the inner lining of the sweat gland, salivary gland, tear gland, in all the things. That is called as the glandular columnar epithelium. Now, last part of the epithelium cell is the stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium means made up of group of epithelial cells. Whether they are the same type of squamous layer could also be made, cuboidal layer could also be made, or the squamous and cuboidal layer could also be made. The similar type of cells or the different type of epithelium cells combine to form the particular tissue that is called as the stratified epithelium tissue. This is present in the skin. Our skin is being composed of the upper squamous flattened cells, and lower down is present the cuboidal cells. So that is the upper squamous and lower cuboidal. Means the group of cells, the squamous also, cuboidal is also present, and that form the layer. Different or same type of cell. Here the different type of epithelial cells is there, form the layer. That is why this is called as a stratified. It is also present in the skin, in the eye, cornea also it is present. So this is the type of epithelial cells. I think you all have understood about the epithelium cells. Epithelium cells are the thin, protective in the function. There are further of four types: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, and stratified epithelium. Squamous are just the flattened cells, prominent nuclei depicted. Cuboidal means the cube shape which are present on the outer lining of the duct and gland and the kidney. Columnar means the vertically arranged cylindrical shape. If the cilia is the ciliated columnar, if it is present in the inner lining of the gland, then it is called as a glandular columnar. And the stratified means the group of the epithelium, similar or different type of epithelium cell which help in the function, particular function like the skin, cornea, and all that is called as the columnar epithelium. Now we are going to study and know about these three topics, and in the further lecture I will explain about each and every type of these topics. Now, connective tissue. As the name suggests, it helps in the connectivity of various organs, whether it is the fluid organ of the body like blood and lymph, which is connected by the body from one organ to other in the phase of transportation of the minerals and substances, either oxygen or the mineral or the ions or the absorption. The fluid, it is also come under the connective tissue. The supportive type of body, like the bone, which bone provide the framework to our body, muscles which provide the framework to our body, the connection of the bone and all that, these also provide. The skin layer is also being converted. Our fatty layers are also connected to each other and form and protect the body organs from the cushions, germs and covering, like when we put the refrigerator in any thermocol system. So further the transportation injury couldn't be withheld by the main machine of the refrigerator or cooler. It will come over the thermocol. In the similar way, the fat cells are present outside the body which protect a particular organ, like eyeball is being protected by the fat cells due to the adipose tissue. So those are also type of connective tissue. tissue which help to connect a particular organ or help to connect that particular tissue. So connective tissue is further divided into connective tissue proper, supportive tissue, fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper is of three types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and fibrous tissue. Areolar tissue means present beneath the epidermis of skin. Like the elasticity given to the skin is due to the areolar tissue, means air-like gap is being present in those tissue which are enlarged and have the airy space and could regain their shape. So that is due to the areolar tissue. Adipose tissue, group of fatty cells which are formed in the body like the hide wall. These all protect the particular body from the germs and injury where there is the adipose tissue. And fibrous means the two organs which being connected by the fibrous type of tissue such as the tendon which join the bone to muscles and ligaments which join to bone, like a biceps muscle is there, then biceps muscle will be connected to the bone through the tendon, and are the elbow and this forearms bone is being connected by each other to the ligament. So these tendons and ligaments serve as the fibrous connective tissue. So connective tissue proper, in the connective tissue proper help in the packing and binding of the organs of three types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and fibrous tissue. Coming to the supportive type of tissue, cartilage. The ear pinna which is present in our ear, which is non-porous, which are thin and delicate, which are freely movable, is called the non-porous cartilage. And the bone, which is tough material, which is porous and which is made of the Haversian canal and all. I'll explain in the another lecture. Then there is the bone, that is the bone tough connective tissue which provides a support to our body, a framework to our body. And then coming to the fluid connective tissue means the fluid part of the body which connect one body to the other or help in the transportation. That is the fluid connective tissue. That is the first is the blood. It is further divided into RBC, red blood cells, WBC, white blood cells, and platelets. RBC help in the transportation of oxygen and mineral ions. WBC help in fighting with the germs. Whenever any foreign element entering our body, the body start immunity by fighting with that particular foreign organism, which is WBC cells only. In the blood test also, when doctor give us the blood test, the WBC count is being increased, and doctor knows that maybe foreign infection has been caused to our body with a normal limit. And platelets, when any cut mark is being made to the body, a type of blood clotting is there, that is due to the thrombocytes or platelets. And lymph is also fluid connective tissue which is present outside of the organ, which help in the which help in the fighting, immunity providing, and all the things. The lymph is there. We will study the connective tissue in detail also. Coming to the muscular tissue, it is striated, means straight type of muscular tissue are present. That is called as striated muscular tissue, and which is also called as smooth muscular tissue, which is present in our internal organs and all that. Unstriated means which are not smooth, just like the biceps muscles and all that. Cardiac muscles which are present in our heart lining is called as cardiac muscle. And coming to the nervous tissue, we already studied in the nerve cell. That nerve cell is the longest part of the body which carry out the impulses. So nerve cells is the nervous tissue. We will study all these tissue connective muscular and nervous tissue in the next lecture. Today we have studied in the detail about the epithelium tissue. Again I am just giving a review of that particular division of that particular topic. That is the squamous epithelium, means the flattened cells have prominent nuclei, and cuboidal epithelium which are having the tube-like cells which are present in the glands and all. Columnar epithelium means the elongated cells which have cilia and ciliated columnar epithelium which are present in the gland and glandular columnar epithelium. And stratified means several layers of epithelium cells like the squamous, cuboidal and all make a particular cell that it is called as the stratified epithelium cell. So this is the lecture of the particular today topic animal tissue which I had taken in your life class also, and I had explained here also, and the connective tissue I had made to explain. In the next lecture we will study about the connective, muscular and nervous tissue, and in this way this chapter will be completed related to this topic epithelium cells. Whatever question will be there, solve those questions in the copy and get revision. And if any doubt, clear, ask me anytime, whether on my WhatsApp number, it is being given to you all in the group also, and whether in my anytime you could ask me, I'll explain you on the particular topic. If I will not free, then I'll give you the order